Another story, when I was in Taiwan, one student put up a project in front of us he developed artificial intelligence to compose the music as well. That means all this is happening in real time. And there was no plagiarism by this machine. Okay? It's all unique. Every time he was showing me the different composition. In few seconds, a new composition was coming out. So that clearly shows that, see, the kind of tools what we are going to be generating or developing sooner will have much more integrity, and this should be engraved in our younger population. So AICTE actually runs a program called Universal Human Values, which is to know about yourself. What is it for you? How you are going to be conducting yourself in such a system. So this is very unique. You have to be first a human being, and you don't need to be scared of these technologies. These technologies are developed by human beings for the betterment of the mankind. So automatically, we have to be on top of it. So by adopting best practices and maintaining a balance between technological advancement and ethical considerations, the research community in India can leverage these technologies to enhance rather than undermine the integrity. So I strongly believe, I think these are the kind of tools and the kind of awareness what we are going to create now among this will elevate the quality of research in our nation. I think this is a big applaud to Springer Nature to take this tour across India and educate the masses. Congratulations to you. So next is a very important thing is the National Education Policy 2020. See, NEP 2020, we have actually completed 4 years, starting from of the July 2020. So 4 years that we have completed. A lot of excellent best practices have come out of the National Education Policy. National Education Policy guides the broader educational framework for India during the Amrit Kaal. So this next 25 years is a golden moment for us. And when we complete 100 years, we are definitely going to be the force to reckon with in the whole world. And this NEP 2020 document includes provision of integrating ethical practices and research integrity into higher education curricula and institutional policy. All India Council for Technical Education has developed digital platform to facilitate the monitoring and evaluation of research activities, which help in maintaining the transparency and integrity across our nation. Because our scale is very big, it cannot be done manually. So we need to use the technology. What we have done recently is the entire thing we have digitized, entire operations of approvals, or whether it is evaluations, teachers training, all happening online, digitally. So today, I would like to take this opportunity to highlight the crucial role AICTE is doing in the area of technical and professional courses. And it's also important to highlight the crucial role these publishing companies, like the Springer Nature and many other who are there, which can play a very important role in maintaining the research integrity. So this kind of activity is very critical to encourage, to make young people to understand the importance of research integrity. And publishing companies are at the heart of the academic and scientific communication. They can serve as a gatekeepers of research dissemination, making them indispensable in the quest for research integrity. Their responsibilities are multifaceted. So I would like to even highlight their responsibilities are becoming very important for our nation as well.
Government of India, Shri Dharmendra Pradhan Ji. To give up this address, I would invite Dr. Jyoti Ranjan Das, Welfare Dean Students, to be here and read the address for us.
An AICTE, esteemed Bhubaneswar. My greetings to Sri Venkatesh Sarvasiddhi, Managing Director, Springer Nature India Private Limited, for his visionary leadership in spearheading this laudable initiative. The presence of key researchers and educators from across the country, I am sure, will go a long way in fostering a collective commitment to upholding the highest ethical standards in research. The RISE conclave, standing for research integrity in science and education, is not just a
Next, I would request Professor Director, Center for Quantum Science and Technology. Director, Professor Manas Kumar, to felicitate Mr. Stephen Inchcombe. I would now request. Next, we have Dr. Satish.